Peppity poppity go.
92 degrees. It's like fucking 9 o'clock.
Yeah. Jesus.
Hey, Luigi! Hey! You were looking good, Doc.
Welcome back. We're on day 6. We're leaving San Remo and we're heading for Turin. So this is our trip so far. So let's take a look at that road trip today. Short spin today, 248 kilometers. We head out of San Remo up to Imperia. We jump on then to some motorway for a little while, the SS2B, up as far as Siva, where we jump onto the E717, passing along Dogliani, Sant'Anna. We jump then onto the E70 and then we head for Lenini, place we're staying, which is just outside Turin. Some beautiful roads on this, and you're going to see that in the videos. Let's kick into it. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.
Fucking me, fucking hell. The heat.
92 degrees. It's like fucking 9 o'clock.
I know, yeah. Peppity poppity go.
Pippity boppity bingo! Luigi. Pippity boppity bingo, Luigi! Huh?
The fact you called your man Luigi.
It's a pity with no camera on.
Luigi.
It's just fucking came out, right? People will be looking at us. We were going through somewhere the other day, the two of us were all laughing, and there's people at the bus stop looking, going, these two guys must be on something. Because the Cardo's on the opposite side of the helmet, so they couldn't see we were talking to one another. Oh, Jesus. Come here, you couldn't have a bit of crack. It's like it's seaside the whole way for us, for a good 20 or 30 kilometres, by the looks of it. How do you say hello in Italian again?
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno, Luigi!
Joe's a moment.
Yeah, they don't give a bollocks.
They don't know.
Telling everyone tonight, I passed a jigsaw. I passed a big Harley and a jigsaw.
Like they were standing still.
They were a sossolo. Ah, in Zio Cantiere, Luigi.
Watch. Just off the outside, like Ambro.
And these cunts just fucking appear out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. You're going to have to be very careful, Tom. San Remo.
It's worth a visit.
Hey, Luigi! Hey! You were looking good, Doc.
You'll be left to sit now, yeah. Yeah. Chihuahua, though, is it? Yep. Look at this. Yeah.
Your driving is a bit fucking nuts here, isn't it?
It is, yeah, Italian driving, you gotta be a bit.
You're in my country, you're in my way. Sorry, Luigi, sorry.
Yeah, I do. This fucking lunatic.
This stuff are behind you.
I know, yeah. It literally doesn't matter what you drive here. They'll fucking drive anything like lunatics. Yeah, look at it. No wonder it's pushing it through because it's full of fucking air.
Ah, Jesus, Tom, here we go. This is fucking twistys now. I put the camera on at the right time. Mine's on. I just got it going there now, so she's recording. If you got a few minutes of this uninterrupted, you can put a nice backing track to it and just upload it as is.
Yeah.
Bit of an old spill on the road there, whatever it is.
That's the only thing. Is that water or is it oil?
This is what we came for, Tom.
Okay, right. We had to come to Italy first.
Got the right day for it. Just the boys would say.
Yeah.
Guys, it's unreal, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fuck me.
Yeah, the fucking Porsches.
Stay away from that fucking centre line in case there's a lorry or a bus coming.
Oh, this is it.
Of course, there's always one in a 500 to ruin your day. Look at that for scenery. Holy Jesus, Tom, we're up that high. There's clouds out here to the left. Look, can you see them? Oh no, it's not.
Oh yeah.
Smoke. Smoke.
Smoke, it isn't. Something's on fire.
You wouldn't get this in the Isle of Man.
No. But this is it. It's like, you know, this is why you come to San Remo, so you can come out these fucking roads. Huh?
Yeah. I'm glad we went in there and had the coffee because I'm not sure if we had gone through that tunnel that we would have found these roads. I don't know.
No, well, yeah. Well, no, you would have come out the far side. I think that tunnel brought you out. Because you were saying it only added a minute on where we actually.
This is twistys for the next fucking 49 kilometres. 50 kilometres of this, Tom.
That's right. Well, the tyres will be well embedded in after this.
Yeah. The wrong side of the road. Nah.
Yeah.
It's not as if the road is narrow there or anything.
Well, yeah, there's plenty of fucking road. Like, pick your own side.
They'll be going right up here. Oh, I'm just following the road. Places the cunts love to hug the white line, don't they? That was the bend I was worried about. I was looking at it on the map last night.
You'll see how close I am to you when you come round that. When you look at the camera after.
Electronic zone. I don't think there'll be much danger. Oh fuck, there's no white line in the road here either. Well, there wasn't just there.
Probably worn away from fuckers. Go round it.
I'd love to know what elevation will be on the phone tonight.
Yeah, we'll get a look at it later now. And
Fucking way up. Just do your nut if you didn't have a camera now to capture this, wouldn't you?
Yeah, well, it's definitely, prices isn't on the bike or heaven.
I can't take them any faster than I'm doing. In there, lads.
Police just pulled in.
Police,
glancing as they go by, and I'm like, it's fucking an off flying.
But it was the police, was it?
Yeah, yeah. He was getting out of the car. And then he made a hurry to get back into it.
Oh, he gets his hole. Hey, taxi. Are you happy we came the back way now today?
Oh yeah. I'm complaining about them roads. But at least we know another bunch of good roads. So if you're saying to someone, tell you what, when you come out fucking...
And Remo, and head for Turin.
Yeah. Good roads.
Yeah, serious lack of plasters over here.
Yep.
Or they're not mixing it right because it's all falling off the fucking walls.
Yeah, this is a rough. That probably used to be a hotel or something there, I don't know, maybe.
Yeah.
Builders merchants. Oh, watch out there, Robbie. Mad bastard. Not going hard enough for them. We're too busy looking at the scenery. Alright?
Yeah. Taking me time, enjoying it.
Yeah, lovely. Trapattoni.
I think the old twistys were more enjoyable when we were going uphill.
Yeah, it's a bit more,
Now that I mention it, they're sticking into neutral there. And using no fuel going downhill here. Freewheeling at fucking 60 kilometres an hour. You just don't know what's around the next bend, you don't?
it's lovely, isn't it? Like, it's
Yeah.
nice down there today.
Get that mad bastard on a jigsaw, Tom. What is you?
Yeah. Jesus.
That fella stuck in the ditch or where is he?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Or did they just pull in there to walk the dog? What's going on?
And missed the fucking ramp and probably get out. If it has all-wheel drive, it'll come out because it's
It
not.
looks like they just pulled in to walk the dog.
Yeah. But obviously there is a flat bit, but they obviously pulled into the fucking ditch.
Yeah. Where we do 5 minutes in the next village, Tom.
Yeah. It's good.
No shoulders are getting tight there.
Ah, yeah. Well, sure, look at Tom Cruise.
Oh, the back wheel fucking crashed under me.
Oh, fuck.
The gravel.
Yeah, mine are fucking trucks.
Fuck!
That was more the fucking trucks as I came round that corner because it was fucking... The gravel, near you, this fucking lunatic.
That's behind you.
I know, yeah.
Bastard.
I'm letting him by. Oh, this is what it's all about, Robbie.
Yeah.
It's all about.
Day 6 done, costs and Remo to Turin. We are in Turin for 2 days. We're here for 2 days to take a bit of a rest break. Distance travelled 248 kilometers today. Fuel costs, Italy's been a bit more expensive on fuel, €21.52, 15 litres at €2.09 a litre. Food during the day, €13.60. We had to use one toll, which cost us 70 cents, and we stayed in the Air Palace for 2 nights, and then meals obviously while we were there, along with snacks during the day. €126.95. Total cost day 6 into day 8, I suppose you could say, €172.77. Total cost so far €934.21. Total distance we've covered so far 1,852 kilometers. Day 6 riding done. We're here, as I say, for 2 days, so we'll be kicking off on day 8, where we head from Turin to Lausanne in Switzerland. So we're going to be crossing the mountains into Switzerland. Some more lovely scenery, but not so lovely weather. See you on day 8. Thanks for watching.